Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho. Come on. Oh my God. Hi.
Naughty boy. Oh no.
Do you like that?
You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Yes or no? Huh? Yes? Away.
No.
So, I went to the fridge and I opened up the meat drawer. You know what the meat drawer is, right?
Yeah? What was in there?
Well, I'll tell you what was in there. You know that bacon that's like maple? It's got maple flavor.
The maple kind, yeah?
Yeah, so
Yeah?
I took that out and I thought,
Yeah?
I know who would like that. Me! So I ate it.
Oh, no. You're kidding me.
Nope. Not kidding. I also noticed there was some beef in there. Yeah, steak, juicy. Well, I ate that too. But I went back to the fridge just a few minutes ago and I put something together really special. You're going to love this one. I took some chicken.
Yeah.
I put some cheese on it. And I covered it with...
Covered it with what?
I covered it with cat treats.
Yeah?
Then guess what?
What?
I gave it to the cat.
Who is these dogs? Oh, Bella! Hi, Billy! Oh, yay! Look how excited! Yay, dogs! Good girl, Bella! Oh, yay! You're so excited! You love Mom best, huh? You love Mom best!
K.O. Sit. Are you sitting? Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Hey, Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a Chewy. I gave Kiko a Chewy. You ate Kiko's Chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's Chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.
Okay, take. You have got to be kidding me. No, all jokes aside.
What is this?
This is a medley, see, of dehydrated
Okay,
fruits.
let me see.
Get out of here with this nonsense, man. You can try the green beans. Green means go and get me the bag of seeds you promised me. Okay, tomato. Tomato, potato. Where are my seeds? Cucumber. Damn, man. I'm sorry. So, are you meaning to tell me what? That in all of this place, try the mango. There's no seed. Try the mango? Mango? Man, go and buy me some seeds. You can put this broccoli in your... Refrain from handing me any edibles that doesn't start with a C and end with a E. This is a zucchini. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, no. When my wings grow, I'm flying away from here and I'm not coming back again. Jesus.
Are you barking?
Ow, Chloe, I'm fine. I'm fine. Honey, I'm fine. I'm okay. I promise. I'm okay. I'm fine. No, I'm not.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ah!